Hello everyone, how are you? What are you feeling with Connected Me? Today my blog is it on to travel. Today I visited Red Fort and India Gate. If you want to see Red Fort, then stay with me. And you want to see India Gate, then stay with me till the end. If you visiting Red Fort for the first time, apart from roaming around, you will also find a shop here. You will find many attractive things here, just like toy, jewelries, statue, books, cloth, hand purse, cap, and more things are available here. The Red Fort was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1648. Here is first row is end and second row is start. The Red Fort was completed in 10 years. Its maker name Ustad Ahmad and Ustad Hamid. It began to be built in 1638 and it was completed in 10 years, means 1648. Red Fort was built like Salimgarh in 1546 AD. The Red Fort was declared a World Heritage Site in 2007. In making decoration this time, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in Agra in memory of Mumtaz. This is Museum of Red Fort. This is Bed of Empire that covered by glass. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan used to sit on this throne wearing the crown of Kohinoor. The Red Fort was attacked by the Persian Empire Nadir Shah in 1739 AD. The Red Fort, also known Qila-e-Mubarak. He took the golden peacock throne with him from here. Its cost is 1 crore rupees. Now we are entering in garden. There is a place. If you are hungry, you can eat here because here is a restaurant and pure water and washroom. The queen lived in Rang Mahal and the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan lived in Khas Mahal near the Rang Mahal. The last empire of Mughal is Bahadur Shah Jafar, who are arrested by British government in his Qila. The Mughal Empire was founded by Babur after defeating Ibrahim Lodi in 1526 AD. The first battle of Panipat. Second empire of Mughal is Humayun. Its duration 1530 to 1556. The third empire of Mughal is Akbar. Its duration 1556 to 1605. The fourth empire of Mughal is Jahangir. Its duration 1605 to 1627. And the fifth empire of Mughal dynasty is Shah Jahan. Its duration is 1627 to 1657. The sixth empire of Mughal is Aurangzeb. Its duration 1658 to 1707 AD. And the seventh empire of Mughal dynasty is Bahadur Shah Jafar I. Its duration 1707 to 1712. The eighth empire of Mughal Jahandar Shah. Its duration 1712 to 1713. The ninth empire of Mughal Farrukh Sayyid. Its duration is 1713 to 1719. The 10th Mughal empire is Muhammad Shah. Its duration is 1719 to 1748 AD. And the 11th empire of Mughal dynasty is Ahmad Shah. Its duration 1748 to 1754. The 12th empire of Mughal is Alamgir II. Its duration is 1754 to 1759. The 13th empire of Mughal is Shah Alam II. Its duration 1759 to 1806. 14th Mughal empire is Akbar II. Its duration is 1806 to 1837. And the last empire of Mughal and 15th empire is Bahadur Shah Jafar II. Its duration is 1837 to 1857. This is some special information of Red Fort. I think you are liking it. Tell me in the comment how are you liked this vlog. Looks my picture in Red Fort. Thanks for watching my vlog. Next vlog will be coming soon. You can like this vlog and comment with respectfully. Bye bye my YouTube family. See you soon again. Love you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.